Hey, so if your photo library is a mess, yeah, Darktable can help you organize everything like a professional catalog. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to organize photos in Darktable in 2026. First thing, open Light Table mode and import your photos. Try to import them in batches instead of randomly. Next, use collections. So you can group photos by folder, date, camera, or location. All right, start tagging your photos. I mean, tags like travel, portrait, or nature make searching much easier. Now rate your photos. Use stars to mark best shots, like 5 stars for your top images. Next, use color labels. So you can mark images as edited, selected, or to delete. All right, organize into albums or grouped selections. I mean, this helps keep projects separate. And yeah, use search filters. You can quickly find photos by tag, rating, or date. So that's how you organize photos in Darktable. Once you set this up, managing thousands of images becomes super easy.